Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. In summer season, we often wonder what kind of fertilizer should we give to our plants. The easy answer to that is an organic, slow-releasing fertilizer. But what fertilizer should we give to our plant then? So today I'll be telling you about a fertilizer which you can give to any kind of plant. And this can be easily made with waste materials. So to make the fertilizer, make sure that you have a big container. There you can give kitchen waste, dry leaves, tea leaves, etc. Also, if you're giving used tea leaves, make sure that you wash all the milk and sugar particles from it. Oh, and don't forget to stir it time to time. Here, as you can see, my mom is giving some weeds and some aloe vera. Actually, those are some waste aloe veras after propagating our plant. If you wish, you can also give sweet syrup. After that, it is optional, but you can add 10 ml of bioenzyme. Actually, bioenzyme helps in making the process faster. Make sure to just keep this mixture in a shaded area for at least 15 days. And don't forget to stir it every day, because it will help in aeration, which will help in the growth of good bacteria which are good for your plants. After 15 days, make sure to strain this liquid and then dilute it with water for 4 times. Then you can give this to any kind of plant that you wish. It can either be a fruit plant or a vegetable plant, etc. This is a very good fertilizer as this is slow releasing as well as organic. Not only that, it contains all kinds of micro and macronutrients which are really good for your plants. And don't worry, this plant will not harm your plant in any way in the summer season. Like this, you can make this really easy fertilizer. And you can give any kitchen waste in it, such as rice water, banana peels, vegetable peels, etc. But there is still one problem that you might have. That is that for soaking it for this long, you might be able to notice some insects in it. But if you give bioenzyme in it, there will be no kind of insect attack and not that much of a bad smell either. Now what should we do with the rest material after we have stained the liquid? You can be able to use this as a compost. So make sure to throw them all in a composting bin. On top of that, you can give dry leaves or cocoa pit. So in case you do not have lots of dry leaves, you can always give cocoa pit. And instead of cocoa pit, you can always give dry leaves as well. After that, make sure to add some garden soil on top of it. After evenly spreading the cocoa pit and the garden soil, you can add some bioenzyme. Not much of a bioenzyme, only 10 ml of any kind of bioenzyme. This will fasten the speed of composting this as well as grow some good bacteria which will prevent any kind of bad smell. And you can also use this as a fertilizer. I hope this video could help you, and now you can make 2 kinds of fertilizers with your waste products. That's all. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.